Have you ever stopped to wonder about the incredible journey your data takes when you connect to the internet? It's a complex and fascinating process, involving numerous steps and technologies working together seamlessly. Every click, every search, every video you stream embarks on a digital odyssey from your device to the vast expanse of the internet. Let's dive in and explore this remarkable journey step by step. Our journey begins with you, the user, initiating an action on your device. This could be anything from typing a web address to clicking a link. This action triggers a chain reaction, converting your request into a language computers understand data packets. These packets are like digital envelopes carrying your information across the digital landscape. Just like a physical letter needs an address, each packet is assigned a destination IP address, ensuring it reaches the intended website or server. Imagine typing a simple web address into your browser, something like www.example.com. Your computer, while excellent at processing information, doesn't inherently understand what this address means. This is where the magic of data packets comes into play. Your request is broken down into small, manageable data packets. Each packet contains a portion of your request, along with important information like the destination IP address and the order in which it should be reassembled. Think of it like sending a message written on several postcards. Each postcard carries a part of the message, and when they arrive, they need to be arranged correctly to reveal the complete message. Now, our data packets are ready to leave your device and venture out into the wider world. But first, they encounter a crucial intermediary, your home router. Think of the router as a traffic controller, managing the flow of data between your device and the internet. It receives the outgoing data packets and directs them to their destination. The router plays a vital role in home networks, allowing multiple devices to share the same internet connection. It acts as a central hub, ensuring that data packets from different devices are sent and received without interfering with each other. Without the router, our data packets would be like cars without traffic lights, leading to chaos and collisions in the digital world. Our data packets, safely guided by the router, now face another challenge: the language barrier. You see, computers and the internet speak different languages. Your computer communicates using digital signals, while the internet infrastructure primarily uses analog signals. This is where the modem steps in, acting as a translator between the two. The modem, short for modulator-demodulator, converts the digital data packets from your router into analog signals that can be transmitted over telephone lines, cable lines, or fiber optic cables. Think of it like translating English into Spanish before sending a letter to a Spanish-speaking friend. The modem on the receiving end then converts the analog signals back into digital data, ensuring that the information is understood by the recipient.